Hey guys, my name is Abhishek, and in this video I am here to tell about how to clean your cache data of your any Android device. So firstly we have to go on the Play Store and download the app One Tap Cleaner. One Tap Cleaner is the app to clear the cache data. Download and install it app and open it. It will ask some permissions. Allow all the permissions. Okay, and this is the description. Just go back. Next step, grant permission, and in the usage area allow access and allow. If have to allow the notifications and then continue. And now the app has calculated the cache data and the storage of your device. Now go on the cache cleaner and click on the clean button. Here is the clean button. Okay, and again click on the clean button and it will calculate the size and the package of the apps. And now it is having a turbo mode, but it is official for the premium version and you can use it for free version only. Also on the tap on the clean button, give the accessibility permission. One tap cleaner accessibility allow. You can give all the permission because it's safe and it will not harm your personal data and any other options. And the cleaning process has been started. It has been calculated 11 apps and second app has been cleaning, and in every app it will tell you the time, how many minutes or second it has been taken for the cleaning process. This third app has been done. Now it is cleaning the keyboard. The app is very safe and it will not harm your personal data, and your personal data has not been deleted. It only clears the cache, because one by one cache cleaning is not possible. You can't, it take much time to clear the one by one app cache clear, and the cache data has been taken the lots of memory in the mobile phones. If you are using the social media, Instagram, WhatsApp regularly by minutes or seconds, or you are watching the reels up to half an hour, it will develop the cache data up to 1 GB and it will affect your memory size. So in this app the cache data has been cleared already. Okay, now the process has been done and it will show how many data has been cleared, how much data has been cleared. 477 MB has been cleared. Just go back to the process. Okay, this is having the user interface of your data. It is having the large cache 3.3 MB in this section. It is having more options for the cleaning process, having history of cleaner, SD card cleaner, cache cleaner, dashboard, default cache, and clear all. App group. In the app group option you can group all the apps in one group, and after tapping on that group it will clear all the cache of that apps in the group. Okay, settings option is here. It is having many more settings option. Cache cleaner, auto cleaner, miscellaneous, import export, themes. You can take the themes up to your desired choice. It is having dark, day graph, trip trigger. I will use the system default only. Okay, and it is having app log, default language you can select, and it is an official app on the Play Store, so it will not harm your data and any other security purpose. Thank you. And if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe it, and if you like this video, like and share it. Thank you.